Hi everybody and welcome back to Hardware Tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. So, the issue might be that your headphones are discharged. So try to charge them fully and then try to do the touch controls again. If it didn't help you, take off the earbuds and place them in your charging case. Then take out the earbuds and put them back on. And check whether the prompt tone is played. It should. It's because you did now the soft reset process. This happens when the gesture feature is set to none sometimes, so you can set different gestures for the left and right earbuds. Check whether gesture control is enabled and make sure that you are tapping the earbud for which the gesture is set. And if it didn't help you, have to do a hard reset. And then if the hard reset isn't this didn't fit your problem, you have to contact device support. Goodbye.